Let's say now the question given to you is AB is a two-digit number. Multiplied by AB, we get ACC. Now all these A, B, C, each of them, all A, B, C represent a unique digit between 0 to 9. Find value of each one of them. When I say unique, simply meaning is if A is 5, no one else will be 5. Now, when we say different means if B is 5, no one else will be 5. If A is 1, all these A's will be 1. Now simply, AB is a two-digit number. Multiplied by AB, we get ACC. A cannot be 2 because 2 into 2 will get 4 something. It cannot be 2. It cannot be 3. 3 threes will get 9. And A cannot be 4 or more than 4. A cannot be 4 or more than 4 because 40 into 40, it will make it a 4-digit number. We want AB into AB a 3-digit number. So the only possible value of A is 1. Now, means we know, means it can be 10. 10 square is 100. So if AB is 10, 10 square will get 100. 10 into 10. If A is 1 and B is 0, 10 into 10 we will get 100. B will also be 0 and C will also be 0. This B will become 0 and C will also become 0. That is not possible. Means AB cannot be 10. AB cannot be 10. So that's what we know. 1 is there but it cannot be 10. Now, it cannot be 11 also because A and B both cannot be 1. Now the thing is AB cannot be 5 or more because 15 into 15 it becomes 225. So this will become 2. If A is 1, all the A's should be 1. So now it has to be less than 15. If we try less than 5, let's say we try B is 3. If we take this B as 3, 13 into 13 we will get 169. If B is taken 3, we cannot have one C6, one of the C is 6 and one of the C is 9. It's not possible. So this is not possible. So let's quickly try 2 here. If we try 2, we get 12 into 12 we get 144. Precisely it's working. So this is all we're trying in the next coming 1.5 hour, how to find out which alphabet represents what. That's what we'll be doing. Now let's say the question given to us is this ONE is a 3-digit number. Same number we added 4 times. Same ONE we added 4 times and we get TEN. A unique kind of a question type here. The unwritten rule is leftmost digit is never 0. For example, here O is not 0, T is not 0. Both of them are not 0. They are not equal to 0. Because if O is 0, the number will be a 2-digit number. If T is 0, it will be a 2-digit number. So now, first thing we have realized is O and T are not 0. Each one is having a unique value. Each one is having a unique value means if E is 5, no other alphabet will be 5. That's what is unique. If E is 5, everywhere E will be 5, no other will be 5. We don't know who is what. We need to find out who represents what. So basic things. What we studied is, or what all is not given, like unique means every alphabet having a different value. Leftmost is never 0, O is not 0, T is not 0. Now, what we get here is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We want summation to be 10. Thing is, two numbers, the maximum summation of two numbers can be 18, carry forward can be 1. What I mean by that, let's check it. Simply, if we have to add x 2 times, the maximum summation can be 18, means carry can be 1. If three things are to be added, the maximum summation can be 27. So that is, maximum carry can be 2. For 4 things, maximum carry can be 36, means 3. That is the maximum thing that can happen. Now, what we realize, first thing is carry forward. If we look here, O plus O plus O plus O, 3-digit number plus 3-digit number plus 3-digit number plus 3-digit number, summation is a 3-digit number. Had it been a carry forward here, if it would have been given a carry forward here, it would have meant that A value, just now we saw 4 things, maximum carry forward can be 3. So had it been given A, even if O is maximum 9999, even if it's maximum 9, this would have got carry forward 3. Means either 3 or 2 or 1, maximum 3. But there is no A given here. So now, what we know is, if O is 3 or more than 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 will get 12 and a carry forward. Means O cannot be 3 or more than 3. O is less than 2. Means O is either 1 or 2, because if it's 3 or more than 3, we will get a carry forward. If O is 3, summation 12 will get a carry forward. Very big hint we get from carry forward. Now, if E value is 0, it's trial and error plus intelligence. If E is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, we get 0. If E is 0, we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, N is also 0. We know both cannot have the same value. So this is not possible. E cannot be 0. This is not possible. E cannot be 0. Now let's say we try E is 1. If we try E is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 4. If E is 1, we get N4. And if we get N4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get 60. The problem is, here we are getting E1 and here we are getting 6. I repeat, if we try E as 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 4. And if this comes out 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get 6. Here E1 and here E6. Is it possible? Obviously no. So E cannot be 1. E cannot be 1. We have just got E cannot be 1. So now let's try E being 2. We'll be trying E as 2. Let's check it. 2, 2, 2 and 2. If we get E2, we get N as 8. And if N is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, we get 32. Cross check is perfectly fine. E is 2, 2 here. N is 8, 8 here. And we already know O is either 1 or 2. E is already 2. So O will come out to be 1. So just quickly check it here. We wanted ONE plus ONE plus ONE. 4 times 1 we get 10. How we worked out? Let's quick recap. First, there is no carry forward. If no carry forward, if we do not have carry forward, if O is 3 or more than 3, we will get carry forward here. So O has to be 2 or 1. O cannot be 0. Now, we tried here, leftmost. If we try rightmost, E0, 0 plus 0, E0 and N0, both cannot be 0. It did not work. We try E1. If we take E1, N gets 4. And if N is 4, we get E6. Here E1 and here E1 and here E6, it's not possible. E1 here and 6 here, not possible. So simply what we need to do is E cannot be 1. Let's try E2. 2, 2, 2, 2. We get 8. If N is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 32, 2. Carry forward is 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. We get 7. So simply we have got O as 1, N as 8, and E as 2. The question given here is, we need soon plus moon plus noon is equal to June. First hint, leftmost are never 0. S, M, N and J cannot be 0, because if they are 0, S or M or N or J, if they are 0, it will become a 3-digit number. Second part, three things maximum carry forward can be 2, means N plus N plus N, this summation can never cross 30. Maximum it can be 27, means carry it can give, maximum carry it can give is 2 or 1. Later on we'll use it, but basic fundamental facts we are talking about. Now, leftmost is never 0. Maximum carry forward can be 2. Let's start here. Let's say N we take 0. Try to concentrate here. If we take N 0, N is 0 and E is 0, not possible. N is 0 and E is 0 is not possible. We take N1. If we take N1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get E as 3. Now if N is 1 here, I need here also N to be 1. Now to get 1, we just saw three things summation, means O plus O plus O. I want to end with 1. It can be 1, 11 or 21. 1 is not possible, 11 is not possible. What is possible is 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. So what all we get here is 7, 7, 7. The only way n we can get 1 is 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21. Carry forward to 7 plus 7 plus 7, 23. Look at the problem part here. Everything else is going fine. E is 3 and U is 3. We are getting E3 and U3. It cannot work out. Both cannot be the same 3. So N1 is ruled out. So let's try n being 2. 2 and 2 we get 6. Now if to get n2, O plus O plus O, I need last digit 2. 2 is not possible. 22 is not possible. 3 times of something cannot be 2. But 12 is possible by giving 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So it seems to be possible. We will take O as 4, 4, 4, 12. Carry forward 1. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12 and 1, 13. Everything is going fine here. What we have got up till now is n is 2. If n is 2, we get E as 6. To get n2, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 13. Carry 1. Now already we know n is 2. S, M and J cannot be 0. And there is no carry forward here. No carry forward. So this summation can maximum be 9. No carry forward. Now we have got choices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of which already we have used N2. We have already used E6. We have already used O4. And we have already used U3. Now S, M are left out, but none of them can be 0. None of them can be 0. S and M cannot be 0. Now S and M cannot be 9. If we take them 9 here, we'll get a carry forward here. So S cannot be, or S or M cannot be 9. So 9 is ruled out. Now 8, even if we take any one 8, then also it will cross, it will give us carry forward, not 8. None of them can be 8. Even if we take 7, any one 7 and 2, 9 and 1, 10, again it will give us a carry forward. They cannot be 0. So the only choices left out are 1 and 5. Out of these two, 1 is 1 and 1 is 5. Out of these two, one of them is 1, 1 is 5. 5 and 2, 7 and 1, 8 and 1. We don't know out of S and M, one of them is 1 and 1 is 5. We cannot be sure about that. But what we can be sure is N is 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So we get E6. Now to get N2, we tried O4 plus 4 plus 4. 12. Carry forward goes 1. Same O4 plus 4 plus 4. We get 13. Now already we have got, what all we have got is 2 is gone for N, 3 is gone for U, 4 is gone for O, 6 is gone for E. 0 cannot come at leftmost place. 0 cannot come. And if we take 7 or 8 or 9 at this place, carry forward we get. So the only possibility is 1 and 5. Who is 1? Who is 5? We don't know. It can be 5, 1, 1, 5. But in any case, Compulsorily J is no. Now the question here is, let's check out a very commonly repeatedly asked question. That's what we all love. Send plus more. We need money. The most important part is carry forward. S plus M summation is 10 or more than 10 because there is a carry forward here. Now we all know two things. 9 plus 9 maximum can be 18, means S plus M, they both cannot be 9, but maximum summation carry forward can be 1. So M is compulsorily 1. I repeat, carry forward is the biggest hint. We know S plus M summation is 10 or more than 10. Now the maximum summation can be 18. 9 plus 9, 18. So M has to be compulsorily 1. M is 1. We have already got two things. The only carry forward can come is 1. Now let's check it. If we need M equal to 1, what can be the value of S? Look, E plus O summation can be anything. It can be less than 10 or more than 10. But two things summation, either it will give a carry forward, means if this summation is less than 10, we get 0 carry forward. If summation is more than 10, we get 1. Two things summation, maximum can be 18. So एक तो 0 carry forward or 1 carry forward. Now let's check out. Look, where all we get the hint from that side we start. We know S plus M, and we'll call this as carry forward star. What we know right now is S plus M plus this carry forward, it's 10 or more than 10. Now M is 1. Now if M is 1, if we need M as 1, and S maximum can be 9, S maximum can be 9. Now if the carry forward is 1 and S is 9, what will we get? If carry forward is 1, this carry forward is 1, S is 9, we will get 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, what all will be getting is 11. So now the problem is, if S is 9, M is 1 and carry is 1, we will be getting O also 1 and M also 1. So that's why this what we need is O1 and M1 both are 1 is not possible. So if carry forward is 1, S cannot be 9. It cannot be 9. Now, if carry forward is 1, S cannot be 9. So let's try it. If carry forward is 1 and S is 8. 8 plus 1 plus 1, we get 10. Possible. If carry forward is 1, S is 8. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. It's possible. Perfectly fine. If carry forward is 1, S is 8 and M is 1, 0 is possible. This is possible. One of the possibilities. Now, but if carry forward is 0, can S be 8? If carry forward is 0, 0 plus 8 plus 1, it will become 9. We need minimum 10 because M is 1. So if carry forward is 0, S cannot be 9, S cannot be 8, it has to be 9, 9 plus 1 0. So means if carry forward is 1, S has to be 8, O will be 0. If carry forward is 1, it has to be 8. If it's 0, it has to be 9. And this. What we just studied right now, a very important thing. क्या देखा है अभी तक अपन ने? सबसे पहला चीज था S प्लस एम का कैरी फॉरवर्ड है, S प्लस एम का कैरी फॉरवर्ड है, यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा वैल्यू है, सो S प्लस एम 10 या 10 से ज़्यादा है। दो चीज़ों का एडिशन मैक्सिमम कैरी फॉरवर्ड 1 हो सकता है, इसीलिए M इज कंपल्सरीली 1. M is 1. Now we have got M as 1. We have got M as 1. M1 आ गया है. अब M1 आने के बाद दो चीज़ों का कैरी फॉरवर्ड मैक्सिमम 1 हो सकता है, 0 और 1. मीन्स E प्लस 0 से कैरी E प्लस O से समेशन 10 से ज़्यादा रहा तो कैरी 1, कम रहा तो कैरी 0. S plus M plus carry forward, we don't know carry forward 0 है या 1 है, बट अगर कैरी फॉरवर्ड 0 है मीन्स E प्लस O 10 से कम है, यहाँ 1 है, तो S हैज़ टू बी 9, 9 प्लस 1 10, और ये मीन्स इफ कैरी फॉरवर्ड इज 0, S हैज़ टू बी 9, M1 O 0 और 1. और अगर कैरी फॉरवर्ड 1 है, S को अगर 9 लिया तो दिस विल बिकम 11, तो नहीं चलेगा. इफ कैरी फॉरवर्ड इज 1, S हैज टू बी 8, 8 प्लस 1 प्लस 0 10. So in any case, depending on carry forward, S is 8 or 9, but O is compulsorily 0 and M is 1. S can be 8 or 9 depending on carry. अब और एक इंपॉर्टेंट टूल अपने को मिल गया, जो लिंक मिलेगा लो, वी नो O is 0. If we know O is 0, simply we know 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6. So what do we know? E plus 0, E आना चाहिए. I repeat, what all am I saying is E plus 0 has to be E. E plus 0 has to be E. If O is 0, if this is 0, 0 plus anything is the same thing. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. But we are not getting E plus 0 as E. What does it mean? Simple thing. E plus 0 E नहीं आ रहा है, means यहाँ से carry forward 1 है, compulsorily carry forward 1 है, तभी E plus 0 E नहीं आ रहा है. So N value is nothing but E plus 1. We get N value is E plus 1. E जो भी आएगा, N value will come E plus 1. Why does it happen? अभी अपन ने देखा O का वैल्यू 0 है, O का वैल्यू 0 है तो 0 प्लस E आना चाहिए, नहीं आ रहा है. तो means there is a carry forward from here, and E plus O plus carry forward is N. 5 रहा तो 6, 6 रहा तो 7, 7 रहा तो 8, 8 रहा तो 9. In any case यहाँ पे carry forward नहीं आएगा. In any case carry forward नहीं आएगा. 9 रहा तो 10 हो नहीं सकता है, because already O is 0. If O is 0, N cannot be 0, so इसीलिए this is not possible. This is not possible. I repeat, E को 9 लिया. If we take E as 9, E plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10, N will become 0. Already O is 0. And if we check out, if E is 5, N is 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. If it's 2, this will be 3. In any case, it's not more than 10, So what do we know? Here carry forward will not come. There is no carry forward here. I repeat, E plus O is always less than 10. So यहाँ carry नहीं जाएगा. Compulsorily this is 0. If this is 0, we already know S value cannot be 8. It has to be 9. I repeat, यहाँ से carry forward 1 नहीं. If carry forward 1 नहीं, then S is not 8, 9. Compulsorily we have got now S is 9. So up till now we have got S is 9. 9 plus 1, 10, carry forward 0. E plus 1 is N. Now we know E plus 1 is equal to N. What we know here, यहाँ से D plus E, carry forward can be 0 or 1. Carry forward can be 0 or 1, I'll call it star. N plus R plus carry forward, this carry forward, it can be 0 or 1, is equal to E plus 10. I repeat what all I said. D plus E, if it's 10 से ज़्यादा रहेगा तो carry 1, 10 से कम रहेगा तो carry 0, we'll call it star. What we know is N plus R plus carry forward, इधर से 0 या 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Why do we get E plus 10? Because there is a carry forward 1 here. We know E का value is, N का value is E plus 1. N value is E plus 1, I put it. N is E plus 1 plus R plus this carry forward E plus 10. Why E plus 10? There is a carry forward here. Simply when I say carry forward, 8 plus now 17, if carry is 1, simply what I mean to say here is, this is 10 plus 7, carry 1 means is 10 plus 7. So now, E gets cancelled. So R plus carry forward we get 9. 1 goes this side. If carry is 0, R will become 9. If carry is 1. But already what we know is S is 9. If S is 9, R cannot be 9. So this is not possible. So what we get is 1, 8. I repeat. N plus R प्लस ये कैरी फॉरवर्ड ई और इधर एक कैरी मीन्स 7 और 6 13 रहता तो 3 प्लस 10. वैसे ही n प्लस आर प्लस कैरी फॉरवर्ड इज ई प्लस 10. n का वैल्यू इज ई प्लस 1. वी सॉल्व इट. आर प्लस कैरी फॉरवर्ड इज 9. इफ इट्स 9, so if r is 9 and carry forward is 0, it's 9, carry is 1, it's 8. But already we know is S is 9, so R cannot be 9. So that's why this is ruled out. R is 8. Now we have got compulsorily R is 8. That is fixed. Now we have used this. R is 8. We have used this part. We need D plus E. Now if R is 8, we have got this part. Carry forward is compulsorily 1. We have got carry 1. So D plus E, if carry is 1, D plus E is more than 10. Means D plus E is Y plus 10. Now already R is 8 and S is 9. Maximum value of D plus E can be 7 and 6. Maximum, because already 8 is gone here, 9 is gone here. Maximum to maximum ये आ सकता है 13. Maximum it can be 3. Why cannot be 0? y cannot be 0 because already O is 0. If O is 0, y cannot be 0. Y cannot be 1. M is already 1, so y cannot be 1. So means either y is 2 or 3. Now let's try it's 3. We are trying y is equal to 3. If we get this, the only way is 7 and 6. So लो पहले पूरा. If E is 7 and D is 6, 7 and 6 13, we get 3, carry 1. But if E is 7, N will become E plus 1. N is E plus 1, E को 7 लिया, E को 7 और D को 6, 13. N will become E plus 1, 7 plus 1, N will become 8. Problem is, R is already 8, N cannot be 8. So that's why my assumption goes wrong. This assumption of 7, 6 goes wrong. But it can be. We had taken E7, so let's say now we take E, this 7 and 6. Same problem, 13, carry 1, N is E plus 1, so N will become E plus 1, it will become 7. Problem is again the same, D is 7 and N is 7, both cannot be 7, each has a different value. So it cannot be 3, it cannot be this thing. So now, if not 3, not 0, not 1, the only possibility is 2. Y compulsorily has to be 2. If y is 2, this is not possible. Now how do we get y value 2? It can be 9 plus 3, 12, but 9 is already gone. It can be 8 plus 4, 12, already 8 is gone. Possibility is 7 plus 5. Now if I take E7, D5, if I take E7 and D5, 12, carry forward 1. If E is 7, N is E plus 1, what it gets is 8. Same problem, R be 8 or N be 8, not possible. R be 8, N be 8, not possible. So it cannot be 5, 7. So remaining is this. If E is 5, D is 7, 5 plus 7 we get 12. N is E plus 1, it comes out 6. Perfectly fine, everything is fitting now. Let's check it. 7 plus 5, 12. D7, E5, 12, carry 1. 6 and 8, 14, plus 1, 15. E value 5. E is 5, 5 plus carry 1, N becomes 6. N is 6. Carry 0, it comes out. Question is, we need 4 times x plus 4 times y plus 4 times z is x triple y z. Now we know if 3 numbers we add maximum to maximum, if they are, summation is 27, carry forward is 2. Carry forward is 2. 3 things maximum carry forward can be 2. So x plus y plus z, carry forward is there, maximum carry forward can be 1 or 2. It can be maximum 2. Now, what we know is x plus y plus z, look here, x plus y plus z, last digit is z. So it can either be z or it can be z plus 10 or it can be x plus y plus z, z plus 20. If we say z, it will become x plus y is 0. It's not possible. 0, 0, z equal to z. But both cannot be 0. So x plus y plus z, last digit, this is z, but they are not same. So what all we get here? What all we get here is x plus y plus z is either z plus 10, either z plus 10 or z plus 20. Why does it work out? Three things addition can maximum be 20 plus something. Like if it's 9, 9, 9, 27, we write 7 here and carry 2. What they are we don't know right now. So maximum this can be there. So either it's z plus 10 or it's z plus 20. So if we say this thing, if we say x plus y is 20, if x is 1, 19, but a digit can never be more than 9. So what all we get? X plus y plus z is compulsorily 10. If it's 1, it's 9. If it's 2, 8. I quickly repeat here, x plus y plus z, last digit is z. So if we say this is the case, we get x plus y 0. But if it's 0, both cannot be 0. They cannot be 0. So this is wrong. So either is x plus y plus z is z plus 10 or x plus y plus. Why it works out? Because three things, maximum carry forward can be here 2, maximum it can be 2. Now, means either it's 10 plus z or 20 plus z. If I try 20 plus z, we get if x is 1, y 19, 18, a digit can never be more than 9, not possible. So what we get is, this has to be the answer. If x is 1, y will be 9, if it's 2. So what we get, if x is 1, y is 9. Or if this is 2, this is 8. These two possible answers are there. So in any case, 10 plus z, simply when we get 1 plus 9 plus 7, what do we write? 17 and carry 1. So the same way, we have got carry 1 here. Carry 1 we have got here. So now what we get is x plus y plus z plus 1 is y. Let's try it. Up till now what we have got, 4 times x, 4 times y and 4 times z, 4 times z. Summation is x triple y z. We got if x is 1, y is 9. If x is 2, y is 8. So what we get? 10 plus z is z, carry forward 1. So now what do we get? What we are trying is x plus y plus z plus 1. X plus y plus z plus 1. Last digit is y, but it can be y. It can be y plus 10 or it can be y plus 20. As three things summation, three things ka summation can maximum be 20 plus something. Let's try. If we try this case, what all we get is x plus z, we get 19. If it's 1, 18. If it's 2, 17. A digit can never be more than 9. So this is not possible. If we take this case, x plus y plus z plus 1 is y. We get x plus z equal to negative 1. Again, it's not possible. So what we get is, using this is 9. If x is 1, if x is 1, z is 8. If this is 2, if x is 1, this is 8. If it's 2, this is 7. So what we did is, if x is 1, z is 8. If x is 2, this is 7. So let's check it. Either it's 198 combination or it's 287 combination. I quickly repeat in a nutshell what all we did. First we tried quickly what all we did. X plus y plus z last digit set. Quickly we are trying what all we have done up till now. 4 times x plus 4 times y plus 4 times z. What we get is x triple y z. Quickly, smarter, faster way. X plus y plus z last digit is z. This is possible if either these two are 0, not possible. Now, if I am getting last digit z, means z as it is coming up. X plus y plus z, z is as it is gone. So remaining two things summation can be 10 or 20. But x plus y can never be 20. Two things ka summation can never be 20. Means either it's 10 plus z or 20 plus z. But two things summation can never be 20. Three things का carry forward, ये तीन लोगों का carry forward, यहाँ एक तो 1 या 2 रहेगा, 20 से ऊपर नहीं. सो ये दोनों का समेशन एक तो 10 है या 20 है. 20 हो नहीं सकता है, दो चीज़ों का समेशन कैन नॉट बी 20. सो व्हाट वी गेट 10. 10 आने के लिए कैसे आएगा 10? ईदर x1 और y9, 2 रहा तो 8. सो ईदर इट्स 19 और 2. 10 प्लस z कैरी फॉरवर्ड 1. अब क्या आएगा? x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z plus 1 carry forward. This one summation is y or y plus 10 or y plus 20. So y as it is gets cancelled. So if y gets cancelled, x plus z plus 1 10 or x plus z plus 1 20. Now simply this y as it is done. So remaining x plus z plus 1 summation 20 लाना है, तो x plus z 19, 1 रहा तो 18, 2 रहा तो 17, digit cannot be more, so this is 10. So if x plus y plus z plus 1, y cancel हो चुका है, x plus z is 9, so if x plus z is 9, x plus z 9, 1 रहा तो 8, 2 रहा तो 7. That's what we are using. We have got either 198 combination or 287 combination. Now if I am using 287 combination, if this is 2, this is 8, this is 7, if I use these values 2 and 8 10 and 7 17, I get 7 here, carry forward 1, 2 and 8 and 7 17 and 1 18, carry forward 1 18, carry forward 1 18. Everywhere else I got here, everywhere else I got x2, and here I am getting 1. So this combination is wrong. This is not going to work out. What combination we are left out is 198. Here we tried 287, सब तरफ तो आ गया, बट यहाँ x1 आ रहा है, बाकी जगह 2, so ये combination नहीं है. It's what we did was 287 we tried, everywhere x we got 2 and here we got 1, so it's not possible. it has to be 198, 198, 18, carry forward 1, 198, 19, carry forward 1, 198, 19, carry forward 1, 198, 19. So what all we get? X is 1, Y is 9, Z is 8, summation is this thing. What we need to find out is now ABCD 4-digit number plus EBCB 4-digit number, we get AFGAG. As we have already seen, two things carry forward here, two चीज़ों का maximum carry forward, A plus E carry forward part, it has to be 1, two things maximum carry forward can be 1, because max to max 9 plus 8, 18, so carry forward has to be 1. If A is 1, we know A is 1 compulsorily. We have done it similar in the last question here. If A is already 1, now we don't know carry forward here, it's 0 or 1. This carry forward from B plus B can be 0 or 1. Depending on that, we have tried in the previous question. If carry forward is 0, if this carry forward is 0, 0 plus 1, maximum it can be 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 0. And if there is carry forward 1, A is 1, carry forward is 1. If I take 9, AF will become 11. Both cannot be 1. So it cannot be 9. It has to be 8. It will be 10. So in any case, F value is 0 and E value is 8 or 9. E is 8 or 9 depending on carry forward. A is compulsorily 1, F is. No, what it says is what all we know, use that. What we know right now is A value is already known to us. A value is 1, use it. C plus C, I need last digit 1. Carry forward can be anything. 0 is already gone. If we take 2 plus 2, we get 4 or 5. If we get 3 plus 3, we will get 6 plus 1, 7. We need C plus C ending with 1. The only way is possible 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11. The only way is possible. Carry forward is 1, C is 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Now, if this is 11, carry is 1. What we have got up till now, quick check here, quick check. क्या किया है अभी तक? What all we knew was ABCD plus EBCB. We need summation AFGAG. अभी अपन ने देखा है दो चीज़ों का कैरी फॉरवर्ड सिर्फ क्या हो सकता है 1. Only thing it can be there is 1. If A is 1, carry forward from this side it can be 0 or 1. From this side carry forward can be 0 or 1. If it's more than 10, 1, otherwise 0. We saw A plus E plus carry forward. A is already 1. Carry can be 0. Carry can be 0 or carry can be 1. So now, if it's 1, if A is 1, I need value of this thing. So if this is 9, 0 plus 1 plus 9, 10. And if this is 1, we get 10. This E is 8 or 9, this is 0. We already know this part. Now, depends on carry forward. Now we already know A is 1. To get A value 1, the only way is possible is we have just seen 5 plus 5, 10. plus carry forward 1 has to be there compulsorily. Now, d plus b is more than 10. Just now we got d plus b is more than 10 because there is carry forward. D plus b is giving g plus carry forward. So d plus b is equal to g plus 10. And if we look here, b plus b, there is a carry forward here. What we got? 5 plus 5, 10 and 1, 11. So there is carry forward 1 here. So what we get is b plus 1. Look at here, b plus 1 is either g or b plus 1 is g plus 10. b plus 1, b plus 1 is either g if carry forward is 0 or is b plus 1 is g. एक तो इनका समेशन 10 से ज़्यादा रहेगा या 10 से कम. 10 से कम है तो जस्ट g, 10 से ज़्यादा है तो g plus 10. Now, if I say b plus 1 is equal to g, then if this is the case, what we know is we'll be using here d plus b is equal to g plus 10. Just now we got d plus b is equal to g plus 10. If we use that b plus 1 is equal to g, what we will get is, if we put this value here, d plus b is equal to b plus 1 plus 10. D equal to b plus 11. Variable d is b plus 11. D is 11 more than b. A digit can never be 11 more than any digit. Maximum is can be 9. So what we realize right now is b plus 1 cannot be g. It has to be g plus 10. We had two choices. अभी अपने पास दो choices थे. b plus 1, एक तो g carry forward 0 या g plus 10, और यहाँ आ गया था d plus b is equal to g plus 10. बार वापस से देख लेंगे. We had d plus b equal to g plus 10 and b plus 1 is either g or there is carry forward g plus 10. If we try to put this here, d plus b is equal to b plus 1 plus 10. D equals to b plus 11. A digit can never be 11 more than the other digit. So this is not possible. So what we need is b plus 1 is g plus 10. So what all we get here is, this is g plus 10 and this is g plus 10. D plus b is equal to g plus 10. This is equal to g plus 10. Equate them. b plus 1 is equal to d plus b. दोनों भी g plus 10. So d equals to b plus 1. So we got, it did not work out. Just now we saw b plus 1 is not, it's b plus 1 is equal to, what works out is b plus 1 is g and there is a carry forward. So both are g plus 10. We have got both as g plus 10. So what we get is d plus b is equal to b plus 1. So d is equal to b plus 1. D is 1 more than b and there is a carry forward here. So there is compulsorily a carry forward here. 1. If there is compulsorily g plus 10 means carry forward 1. So E value is compulsorily 8. Just now we have got D is 1 more than B and their summation is more than 10. If this is 5, this is 6. 1 more, but not possible because C is already 5. If this is 6, this has to be 7. We need summation more than 10. That's why we did not use 3 and 4. It will not give us more than 7, more than 10. 6 and 7, 13. It will work fine. Chal sakta hai. We'll see later on. It works fine. Can we take 7 and 8? We need D is 1 more than B. Already E is 8. If E is 8, D cannot be 8. And we cannot take 8 and 9. If E is 8, B cannot be 8. So what all we need to take is, the only possible answer is 6 and 7, 13. Carry 1, 11. B is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Carry 1. Now the question here is, we need to find out x, y, z, a 3-digit number, added with 2-digit number, I get a 4-digit number. Same x, y, z minus ab, we get 3-digit number. Now the concept is, this is 0, nothing is there. X can maximum be 9. It has to be 9 if I need a carry forward. The only way I can get carry forward is, there is a carry forward 1 from this side. There is 1 carry forward from here. This summation is more than 10. It goes 1 here. 1 plus 9, 10. This is 0. This has to be, because if C is there, carry forward is there, the only way is 9 plus 1, otherwise we cannot get. Now use it here. We already know x is 9. Now the concept is, x, y, z is a 3-digit number. Minimum is 900. Minimum is 900. And AB maximum to maximum can be 99. Then also we get this thing. What all I said is, XYZ is minimum 900. AB can maximum be 99. Look now, simply, if Y is more than A, if this Y is more than A, 900 something minus this, we will get again here 9. This will happen if Y is bigger than A, we'll get B also 9, X also 9. It's not possible. If it's not possible, the only way it's possible is Y is less than this. When we subtract, carry forward goes here and this comes out. Like we studied, two things ka maximum carry forward can be 1. When we subtract also, maximum it can be 1 goes this side, that can be the maximum case, or other way, this is as good as, simply when we say XYZ minus AB is BGA, simply it means XYZ minus AB is BGA, so it means BGA plus AB is XYZ. X is already 9. If we need X9, two things, maximum carry forward they can give, maximum G plus A carry forward can give is 1, so B has to be 8. What I tried to show here is, even if it's 900, it cannot be, but even if it's 900, XYZ 900 minus 99, then also addition ka maximum carry forward 1, subtraction also for two things maximum 1. So we have already got B as 8. Now if B is 8, let's check it. B is 8. If B is 8, what all we can work out with is, let's check out. XYZ, we have already got X as 9, C as 1, D as 0, B as 8. We have already got 8. So these values are already known to us. Now, Let's go with trial and error. Trial error with intelligence, that's what we need. So if we know B is 8, Z cannot be 0. If Z is 0, D cannot be 0. So Z cannot be 0. Z cannot be 1. Already C is 1. If we say Z is 2, if we try Z is 2, 8 plus 2 will get 10. Already D is 0, F cannot be 0, Z cannot be 2. Can Z be 3? 8 plus 3, 11, 1. Already C is 1, F cannot be 1, Z cannot be 3. So minimum Z is 4. So what all we get? If Z is 4, Z can be 4. Let's try it. If Z is 4, 8 plus 4, 12. It works fine. If we take Z 4, 8 plus 4, we will get 12. We are trying, it's a trial part going on, Z as 4. Now if I take Z4, in this case, Z4, 14, one carry will go, 14 minus 8, we will get 6. If we take Z as 4, we get A as 6. Now what all we get here is, if we try this thing, we get A as 6, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, carry forward 1, and what all we get? 6 plus 1, 7. We need this summation minimum 10. We need minimum 10 because I need carry forward here. It cannot be 10, 0 also. It cannot be 0 because D is 0. It cannot be 1, C is 1. It cannot be 2, F is 2. So minimum it should be 3. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 6, 13. Minimum 6. No, it's not possible. Both cannot be 6. If we try 7, 6 and 7, 13 and 1, 14. It works fine. If we take this, 6 and 7, 13 plus 1, 14. Problem is Z is already 4. This cannot be 4. We try 8. No, B is already 8. Y cannot be 8. We try 9. Obviously this is already. So we have tried all the possible things with Z4 and it did not work out. We tried with all the possible things with Z4, it did not work out. So what we'll be doing now here is, let's try with Z being 5. Z did not work out 4, we'll try 5. We already know X is 9, this is 1, this is 0, Z5 will be trying. B is already 8, 9 and 8. So now if we say Z as 5, 15 minus 8 we get 7. 15 minus 8 we get 7. Working fine. Now if B is 8, already it's 8 and Z is 5. 5 and 8 we get 13. F3 carry forward 1. Now if this is the case, 5 and 8, 15 minus 8 we get 7. So A is 7. We need 7 plus 1, 8. This summation needs to be minimum 12. Minimum 12 because it cannot be 10, already 0. It cannot be 1, already 1. And it has to give us carry forward 1. We need carry forward 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. So minimum summation should be 10 or more than 10. It cannot be 10, it cannot be 11. Minimum 12. So we try here 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 and 4, 12. It works fine. Let's check it here. If we take Y as 4 and A as 7, cross check. If we take this thing, 15 minus 8 we get 7. Carry forward 1. Look, carry, it's up to you. You write here or here, the way you want to write it. We write it here. So 15 minus 8, 7. 14 minus 8, 6. It's working fine. Everything is working fine. So it was a little bit use of smart work and intelligence. what all we saw, let's quickly check out. We wanted, question given was XYZ, quick nutshell we are trying here, XYZ plus AB, XYZ plus AB is a 4-digit number, XYZ minus AB BG a 3-digit number. Now I need a carry forward, it can only be 1. The only way we can get is this is 9. There is carry forward 1 from here. Y plus A is more than 10 or equal to 10, and we get here as this thing. Now if this is the case, if X is 9, we have just seen 9, this is 0. So if Y is greater than A, we will get again B as 9, but X and B both cannot be 9, means Y was less than A. One carry went from this side, one went this side, carry, and it became 8. Just explanation I have shown here. Minimum to minimum this number is 900, maximum 99, then also 801, or is as good as BGA plus AB is XYZ. If X is 9, the only way it's possible is 8 and 1. So compulsorily we get B8 X9 901. Now if we know B is 8, we already know B is 8, Z cannot be 0, already D is 0, Z cannot be 1, already C is 1. If we try Z2, if we take Z2, 8 plus 2 it becomes 10, no, already D is 0. And if we try Z3, what all it comes out, 8 and 3 11, already C is 1. So minimum Z is 4, it can be 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. It can be 6, 7, 5 or 4. So now let's try, we try Z as 7. First we'll try Z as 7. Now if we take Z7, quick check, if we take Z7, 7 and 8 we get 15, and if we take Z7, 7 minus 8, 17 minus 8 we get 9. But it's not possible, X is 9 and A is 9. If I have taken Z7, 17 minus 8 we get 9. Both cannot be 9, X and A. Answer is wrong, assumption is wrong. So this assumption that it can be 7 is wrong. Let's try, this assumption is wrong. We'll try Z as 6. So if we take Z6, 6 and 8 14, and 16 minus 8 we get 8. So we get B as 8 and A as 8. It's not possible, both cannot be 8. So Z cannot be 6. We try Z as 5. If we take Z5, 15 minus 8 we get 7. If we are trying Z as 5, 15 minus 8 we get, negation is going on, and 5 plus 8 we get 13. Now carry forward we get here 1, and if we have taken this case we have got A as 7. So in this case 7, 7 plus 1 minimum 8, 8, this summation has to be more than 10, so minimum it cannot be 10, 11, so to get minimum 12, 2, so what all we need is 8 and 4 12, it works fine, 8 and 4 12. So now if this is 4, 15 minus 8 7, 4, A value is 7, check it, 14 minus 8, there is a carry forward going on here, 6, it's working perfectly fine, check it. Just one more try, we have already done, we have already got the answer, but we are trying with 4 just for practice sake, we had done earlier. Had we taken Z as 4, we have already got answer earlier, had we taken Z as 4, 14 minus 8 6, we would have got A as 6. If A comes out 6, put here 6, 4 plus 8 12. Now We are trying this thing, carry forward 1, 6 and 1 7, it cannot be 10, already D is this, 11, 12, already this is there. So minimum we need 13, to get 13, 7 and 6, 13, but 6 and 6 both cannot be 6, ruled out, it cannot be 3, let's try 4, no, not possible, Z is already 4, 5, to get 5, 15, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 and 8, 15, already be 8. And obviously it cannot be 9. So this did not work out. Only thing what worked out is with 5. Let's check. The question given here is TWO2 into TWO2, we need THREE. Now how is it possible? Certain standard workouts we are working with. Look, now the first guess, obviously carry forwards means these last digits, T is going to be a big head. Okay, now first thing, let's take a simple example. If I multiply 400 into 400, I get 6-digit number. 3 is a 5-digit number, means obviously T is less than 4. First hint we got, T is less than 4 because 400 into 400 is 16,000. So T has to be less than 4. Leftmost is never 0, T cannot be 0. So what we are left out with is either 1 or 2 or 3. Now let's check out what is possible. T is 1 or 2 or 3. Now let's quickly check out. If we take 3, let's check it. If we want to try it, T as 3. If we say T is 300 something, 300 into 300 is going to be 90,000. Now it's going to be 90,000 means T into T, here T is 3 and here T will come something 9 or more than 9. If T is 3 here, here T also should be 3. So T cannot be 3. It cannot be 3. If we take 3 into 3, we get 90,000. Here T 3 and here T 9 is not possible. So we need to rule it out. Now, if T cannot be 300, let's try it. Can T be 200? 2 into 2, what all we get is 40,000. And 300 into 300, we get 90,000. Concept is, if we try T as 2, 2 into 2, it can be 200 something, means T is going to be 4, or if it's very close to 300, it can be 4, 5, 6 up to 9, means 200 to 299, anything it can be there. 300 is 9, so anything 4 to 9. Problem is, if this T is 2, I need this T also 2, which is not possible. So one thing we have right now decided is T cannot be 2 also, so T has to be 1. T has to be 1. Then only it's possible to get 1 into 1, we can get 1. Right, it's possible. 100 into 100. If we take 100, 1 into 1 we all know is 1. Now it's possible. It can be more than 100, means T can be 1. But the problem is now, if we say 150 into 150, we get 22500. So what all it means, if we have to maintain it, W has to be less than 4. W has to be less than, it has to be less than 5. Why W has to be less than 5? We have already decided T has to be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. But now if W is 5, 150 into 150, this T will become here 2. If I want it to be 1, so what all we need is W has to be less than 5. So first thing first, what all we have realized is, question given is TWO into TWO, product we need THR 3 digit. So first thing we decided, if T is 4 or more than 4, 400 into 400 is a 6-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. So this cannot be, T has to be less than 4. Then we tried, T can be 1 or 2 or 3. 3 into 3 it comes out 9, no. 2 into 2 it comes out 4, no. So the only possibility is T has to be 1. That is confirmed now. 1 into 1 we get 1. But now then we realize is, if we take 150 into 150 is, it will cross, T will not remain 1. I want T1. So T has to be, W has to be less than 5. W has to be less than 5. Because till 140 we can have 196 W is less than 5. It can be 0. T is already 1. So 2, 3 or 4. W has to be any one of them. Now, this is one of the best known or best possible examples of this mathematical reasoning. Now, we need O into O, a different digit. What we can check out here, O into O, last digit is E. Now what all can be O? If we say O is 0, 0 into 0 will get 0. Last digit O into O will get 0. Not possible. T is already 1, not possible. 2. 2 into 2, it can be 4. It can work out. 2 is one of the possibilities. We take 3. 3 into 3, O into O is a different digit E. 3 into 3, 9, possibility. 4 into 4, 16, a possibility. 5 into 5, now the problem is 5 into 5, what all we get here is 25. O is 5 and E is 5, not possible. So we need to, this is not possible. 6. 6 into 6, we get 36 here. 6 into 6, O into O, 6. No, it's not possible. Same digit O and E. 7 sevens are 49, 9, different ones possible. 8 eights are 64, possible. And furthermore, can it be 9? 9 into 9, 9 into 9 is 81, 1. It's possible, but the problem is already T is 1, so O cannot be 1. So this cannot be 9. Quickly, what all we know is TWO2 into TWO2. How we multiply is O into O, O into W, T into O. That's how we multiply. We cross it. From childhood we have done. O into W, W into W, T into. Two things cross. TO, TW and TT. Up till now we already know T is 1. We already know T is 1. 1 into 1 we get 1. Okay, this summation is THR double. Now, O into O, we need different digit E. So choices we just saw, it cannot be 0. 0 into 0 is same. It cannot be 1, already T is 1. It can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. 5 into 5 is same, no. 6 into 6 is same, 7, 8. And we know W is less than 5. Let's try it quickly now. And before we start this thing, a very, very important part, last 2 minutes, we'll finish up the question. When we add same number plus same number, it's 2x. It's always even. What do I mean by that? 5 plus 5, 10, even. 7 plus 7, 14, even. 3 plus, why to take odd, even if we take 4 plus 4, 8, even. Same number, plus same number is always even. Same number plus same number is always even. Second, very basic things. Even plus even is always even. Very basic kind of things we all know. But let's check out. Even number plus even number is even. For example, 2 plus 4, 6. Even plus odd is always odd. For example, 4 plus 3. And odd plus odd is always even. For example, 3 plus 5. Same number plus same number is always even. How do we use it? Quick check now. We are trying O as 2. First trial O as 2. W we know has to be less than 5. W has to be less than 5, we have seen. Now, if we take 2 into 2, we get E as 4. Carefully check out what all we are doing here. Just carefully check out. We are trying 2 into 2 is 4. Now, if E is 4, this E also has to be 4. Now, to get it as 4, how we can get E as 4? Now its concept is OW plus OW, O into W, same number plus same number is always even. Now, to get it 4, that is E, same number plus same number, if I want to get E as 4, if I want this E as 4, OW plus OW, the only way is 7 plus 7. That ways I can get 4, or I can get 2 plus 2. That is possibility of getting 4. Either 2 plus 2 is 4 or 7 plus 7. And W is already we know is either 0 or 2 or 3 or 4. If we try any of these cases, just now we know even into anything is even. Means 2 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8. Neither can we get 7 plus 7 nor can we get 2 plus 2. I repeat what I said. Even number into anything is always even. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that is, if 2 is an even number, if 2 is even, W is less than 5, 0, 2, 3 or 4, T is already 1. Even into anything can never come 7. We need 4 here. 7 plus 7 or 2 plus 2. 2 into anything will never be odd number 7. So this is ruled out. Now, 2 into 0 if I try, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 4 is 8. Nothing can give me 2 plus 2. No, it's not possible. So what all just now we saw, O cannot be 2. Just now we have seen O cannot be 2. Now, O cannot be 2. So this part goes. We'll be trying now O to be 3. Let's quickly check out if we try O as 3. 3 into 3 is 9. We are trying O as 3. 3 into 3 we get 9. So now if E is 9, this E should also be 9. This was not possible. Now we want this time E to be 9. How we get E? OW into OW, we need 9. Now to get 9, same number plus same number is always even. OW plus OW will always be even. I need E9, which is not possible. Same number plus same number will always get even. It cannot be odd. It's 9 is not possible. So simply what we know is it cannot be 3. It cannot be 3. Let's try 4. we are trying it to be 4. 4, if we take 4 into 4 is 16, it's 16, so we'll be getting carry forward 1. 16 carry forward 1, but E will become 6, so this E should also be 6. Just now we have seen 16, so carry is 1. Now what all we need is OW plus OW plus 1 now. OW plus OW plus 1, I need 6. So now if OW plus OW plus 1 6, so this summation will end with 5. If carry forward 1, I need this 6, so this should be 5. Plus OW, I need always E1. OW plus OW will always be E1. It cannot be 5. If I need this 6, if I need E6, there is 4 into 4, 16, carry 1. This summation I need 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. But same number plus same number cannot be odd number. So it's not possible that O is 4. It's not possible. This is not a possibility. Remaining are now two choices, 7 and 8. We try 7. If it's 7, 7 into 7, 7 into 7, we get 49. This will become 9 and carry forward 4. Carry forward 4. So now let's check it. If we need 7 into 7, 49, 9. If E we need 9, if this E is 9, this E should also be 9. And to get 9, there is carry forward 4 here. 4 plus OW E9. So again 4, if this is carry forward OW plus OW, I'll need 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. But obviously we know OW plus OW, this OW plus OW will always be even, either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10. It can never be 5. It cannot be 5. So what all we are taking? 4 plus 5, 9. It's not a reality. It's not possible. So this cannot be 7. It's not possible. So the only possible choice it has to be is 8. 8 into 8. If we try, it has to come as the answer because nothing else is possible now. 4 is 64. And there is a carry forward of 6. 8 8s are 64. 4 written here, carry forward 6. Now we need 4. If E is 4, now there is carry forward of 6. 6 carry forward here, 64 4. And I need again this E as 4. Don't say 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 plus 8 is possible. 6 plus 8 is 14. Means 1 carry, but possible. Same number plus same number is always even. It's coming out even. It's possible. Now what all we can get? 8 we have already got. To get 8, how is it possible? OW plus OW, 8 is possible. It's perfectly fine. So what we have got here is OW plus OW, we have got 8. Now, how we can get 8? 6 is carry forward. 8 can be issued by 4 plus 4, 8. OW 4, OW 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. And that's how it's precisely possible. But now, 8 into 0 is 0, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So to get 4, the only way we can do is to get 4, 8 3s are 24. So what all we get? Perfectly we have got the answer here. W has to be 3, W has to be 3, and that's how we'll be getting here now. 8 3s are 24. Just quickly check it here. 8 into 8 64, carry forward 6 is 4. 8 3s are 24, 4, carry forward 2. 8 3s are 24, carry forward again 2. We'll later on adjust it. 4 and 4, 8 and 6, 14. Now, next part, what all we get? T into O, 8 ones are 8, plus this carry forward 2, that will make it 10. Now, what all we did? OW 24, 4, W into W, we get 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, and this will go on. So simply, let's, question was 2 into 2. We needed summation to be THREE. We just got the answer. First we decided, the first thing started we did, T was 1. We got 1. Now, product O into O, O into W, T into O. Cross it, OW, WW and TT. And then we did. So now let's quickly check out here. Values we have got 1, 3 and 8. Values we have got 1, 8. Quick cross check here. 8 into 8 we get here is 64, carry 6. 8 3s are 24 and 6 we get 30, carry 3. 8 in 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 3s are 24 and 6 30, 0, carry 3, and we get here 8 1s are 8 and 3 11. Now, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, carry is 2. 3 3s are 9 and 2 11, carry is 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. And what all we get here is 1 3 8. The summation is 4. What all we get here is 4. This is what we have got. Here we have got is 4 plus 4. Let's quickly check out here. 138 into 138. 8 8s are 64. 4, 6 remaining, 33, 11, 3 remaining, 11. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Remaining here is this thing. 2 remaining, 9 11, 1 remaining, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. What all we get here is 1 3 8 4 4 0, carry forward 1 9. So that's what we have written here. So the 0 4 as it is 4, 4 as it is, it comes out 4. 6 and 4 4, we get it here, no carry forward. So what all we have got is